Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today's video is going to be a little bit more chill, a little bit more relaxed. I kind of want to talk to you guys. Hopefully you guys saw that footage beforehand when I was showing you guys kind of just driving with the mid-muffler delete inside the Challenger and how much I like it. I love it. Honestly, it sounds great. It sounds amazing just driving around just normally. Like it sounds so much better. I was a little bit concerned that I wasn't going to like the way it was going to sound just on a daily basis, but the drone is not too much. It sounds good, and honestly, I love it. But I wanted to give you guys an update on the Jeep. For the Jeep, I just put down a down deposit on getting all the repairs done. You know, they're starting up the work. Everything should be done within like a week, maybe a little bit longer than that. But everything seems to be going well. I did go look at the vehicle. I didn't really film when I was there because I just kind of wanted to go and just talk to them and see what was up. But everything seems to be a-okay. And the more and more I think about it, the more and more I'm happy with my decision to get the work done. Because honestly, like even like when I was talking to the mechanics there, they said that honestly everything else seems pretty good. It's just the transmission is just like it'd be better off if you do this now. You won't have to worry about it, and like everything else seems to be good. I mean, knock on, I have nothing really to knock on, but everything else seems to be really strong with that vehicle. It's just really the transmission was the limiting factor. The rear end, there's no like rear diff, you know, fluid leaking or anything like that. It's just like everything seemed to be really tight. So just doing that would really make the whole vehicle so much better. But so what I plan on doing for the winter, I'm still gonna put my winter tires on the Challenger, but I'm gonna try to drive it like not that much. I'm gonna really be focusing in on driving the Jeep a lot more. So there's a couple small things I want to do to it. Definitely once the transmission's done, I'm gonna do that. After that, I'm gonna put a light bar underneath the bumper. I think I want to mount some type of light bar, something like that. I think that will look really cool. Other things for the interior mods, I'm going to be putting in a different phone mount. I want to actually see if I can install seat heaters inside of the Jeep, either something, you know, nice or something just, you know, just okay-ish looking, but I definitely want to do that. I'm going to also be doing a different key, a remote entry key. I think that would be a cool video for the channel. So just small little things, just try to make it feel a little bit better in the inside. So you should be seeing that type of videos very shortly. Now the other thing is though, I have this blackout, I guess, grill for the Challenger, which I never was able to put on the Challenger. And the more and more I think about it, the more and more I don't really know if I really want to put it on there or not. I may do it, I may not. If I don't do it, I'm gonna probably give this away, do like a giveaway for when I hit like 5,000 subs. I'll probably do that. So yeah, let me know. Do you guys think this is cool or not? It's like the Phantom. I think I got it from American Muscle. It's like the Phantom grill. I don't know. I think it seems okay, but I'm not really sure. I think I might just do blackout for the front grill on the Challenger. I think that might just look better if I just plastic dip all of the, you know, trimmings. That might look a little bit better too. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Right now I'm gonna actually clean out the Challenger because it's dirty in the inside. Maybe I'm gonna go give it a nice bath later on today as well. But I want to give you guys a quick update, let you guys know what's going on. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys think I should do the Phantom grill on the Challenger, or do you think I should just do the plastic dip, all the black trim pieces? Do you think that'll look cool? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really curious to know what you guys did, because I really do like when the Challenger has the blacked out grill, like the Hellcat, or like I think of the SRTs as well, as to have that. It's just a blackout grill. Or I might just see if I can get that, just take out that grill and pull in like the new one. I think that looks really cool. But let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. Go to the website, geekswithcars.com, and subscribe for more. And like that, I'm out of here. Goodbye. See ya.